Example 7, we understand performance obligation satisfied at a point in time and over time. Entity a year end 31st March sold a machine on 1st March to export, which includes the monthly service for a 2-year period from 1st March to export. The standalone selling price of the machine and the services are 2,400 and 600 respectively. The amount payable are 2,880. So it's a combination of contract. Their individual selling prices are 2,400 and 600. Now what will happen? Allocation has to be based on the individual standalone selling prices at contract inception. In this case, the allocation ratio is 2,400 is to 2,600, that is 4:1. Therefore, 2,340, 4/5 of 2,880 should be allocated for the machine, and the balance 576, 1/5 of 2,820 should be allocated for the servicing. In regard to the machine, the performance will be satisfied at a point in time in the reporting period ended 31st, and therefore 2,304 should be recognized as revenue. One asset delivered, that is at a point in time. It is not consumed immediately by the customer. One asset, it will be used for more than a reporting period. It will provide future economic benefits. To make the asset work freely and with accuracy, a service has to be provided. In regard to the service, only 1/24 of the performance obligation is satisfied over time during the report ended 31st March to export. That means 1st March to 31st, only for 1 month. Servicing period is 24 months. So in that contract, there are two performance obligations. One is the sale of the asset, that is at a point in time, and sale of services over time. 24 services monthly for 2 years. Current reporting period is only for 1 month. So 1/24 of that is satisfied over time during the reporting period ended 31st export, and therefore a revenue of 24, 57624 should be recognized. Revenue for the period 31st March is aggregate of these two. For the machine 2,304, for the services 24. Balance amount 552, that is 576 minus 24 is contract liability. This will become revenue in subsequent reporting periods when the services are provided. So allocated between current and non-current, 12 months after the end of the reporting period is current, 288, 24 into 12, and remaining 11 months, that is reporting period after next, that is 264. So one contract, combination of contract, two performance obligation. One is satisfied at a point in time machine, one is satisfied over time. That means servicing provided. That particular performance obligation having 24 distinct services to be provided. So, if you recall, I told you that when there is a combination of contract, revenue recognition might vary. It happens at or near the original contract, but it varies. Revenue recognized immediately for the thing that is transferred immediately at a point in time. And over time, revenue is deferred. It will be revenue recognized the moment performed obligations are satisfied. There are 24 distinct services to be provided.